Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to create an account on Snapchat. After the opening Snapchat, you have to click on sign up. After that, you have to provide necessarily permission like contacts and storage to Snapchat. After that, you have to provide your first name and last name and you have to click on sign up. After that, you have to provide your real birthday. After providing, you have to click on continue and you have to provide your username. Here you can select any kind of username, or if it is already taken then you can select any from suggested username. As you can see, I am selecting suggested. After that, you have to click on continue and they will ask you for the password. Here you have to provide a strong password so that no one can use your password to access your account. After providing password, you can also provide email to Snapchat so that they can connect you in a better way. After that, you have to click on continue and you have to provide your mobile number so that they can send you a verification code for your verification. After that, if your mobile number is in your device, then this confirmation will be automatically done. After that, you have to skip and you can add any number of friends from your contacts. Here I am adding 13 friends. After clicking on add friends, your friends will be added on Snapchat. After adding friends, what you have to do is you have to create an avatar on your Snapchat. I am not adding avatar now, so I am skipping that. After that, you have to provide storage and all necessary permission to Snapchat so that they can use your camera and storage. Here is your account which is ready to use. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly subscribe our channel and like this video.